Have you ever wondered what ethical hacking is? Well, let's clear the air. When we hear hacking, we often picture shady characters in hoodies, breaking into systems to steal sensitive information. That's the dark side of hacking, also known as black hat hacking. But there's another side to this coin, ethical hacking. Imagine a detective, but for computers, that's an ethical hacker or white hat hacker. These tech-savvy individuals use their skills legally and ethically to find and fix vulnerabilities in systems. Their job is to think like a black hat hacker, to beat them at their own game. They're on a mission to expose weaknesses before the bad guys can exploit them. Organizations hire these digital detectives to strengthen their defenses, making our online world safer. They are the unsung heroes of the digital realm, constantly battling to maintain security and integrity. So, ethical hacking is not the sinister practice it might initially sound like, but rather a critical component of maintaining a secure online presence. Now, you might be thinking, what does ethical hacking look like in the real world? Well, it's more common than you think. Take Google and Facebook, for instance. These tech giants routinely invite ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, to test their systems for potential vulnerabilities. In fact, they even offer bounties to those who discover significant security flaws. But it's not just companies that benefit. Remember the story of the teenager who managed to find a flaw in Apple's system? Instead of facing legal consequences, this young ethical hacker was rewarded for his efforts. Apple recognized the value of his discovery, using it to strengthen their own defenses. These are just a handful of examples. There are countless ethical hackers out there working behind the scenes to ensure our data remains secure. These stories demonstrate that ethical hackers play a significant role in our digital world, identifying vulnerabilities that could otherwise lead to significant breaches. So why does ethical hacking matter to you? Well, let's delve into that. Ethical hacking, in essence, is the backbone of our online security. It's a bit like having a bodyguard for your personal data. These cyber knights in shining armor work tirelessly, using their skills to identify and fix vulnerabilities before the bad guys can exploit them. Now, think about the sheer volume of personal information you share online. Your banking details, your emails, your photos, it's all potentially at risk from cyber attacks. Ethical hackers are the ones on the front lines, protecting your digital life from those who would misuse it. But it's not just about protection. Ethical hacking also presents a fascinating career path. Imagine using your tech skills to outsmart cybercriminals while making the internet a safer place for everyone. It's a field that's growing rapidly, with opportunities aplenty. Whether you're a tech guru or just a casual internet user, ethical hacking affects you. It's the silent guardian that keeps our digital world secure.